In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter in Excel. Filters help you instantly narrow down large lists so you can focus on exactly the rows you need without changing or deleting any data. They're perfect for scanning by category, dates, or specific values, and they're quick to turn on and off. Start by opening Excel and loading the workbook you want to work with. It doesn't matter whether you're on the desktop app or the web version, the steps are the same. Next, go to the sheet or table where you want the filter. Use the sheet tabs at the bottom to switch to the correct worksheet. Take a moment to look at your data layout. Filters work best when your columns have a clear header row, labels like date, region, or status at the very top. Also, make sure your data sits in one continuous block without completely empty rows or columns breaking it up, because Excel uses that continuous block to detect the range. Now, select the table or range you want to filter. If your data is in a continuous block, simply click any cell inside it. Excel will automatically find the surrounding range. If you prefer, you can click and drag to highlight the exact cells you want included. Be sure to include the header row so each column gets its own filter control. With the range selected, go to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Data tab. This tab groups tools for sorting, filtering, and analyzing your information. Look for the Filter button. It's typically represented by a small funnel icon. Click Filter. Right away, you'll see small drop-down arrows appear in the header cells of your selected columns. That's your visual confirmation that filtering is turned on. You can now click any of those arrows to show only certain values, sort ascending or descending, or apply number, text, and date criteria. This lets you quickly zero in on what matters, while all other rows are simply hidden, not deleted. If you don't see the arrows after clicking filter, double check that your selection included the header row and that the data forms a solid block with no completely empty divider rows or columns. If your data was already formatted as a table, you might notice the filter arrows were there from the start. When you want to see everything again, just return to the Data tab and click Filter to toggle it off. Your full dataset will reappear instantly, and that's it. You've added a filter in Excel. With this simple workflow, you can explore and refine your data in seconds, keeping the original information intact and easy to navigate.